y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Brianna and I make health, beauty, and lifestyle videos to inspire and motivate women like myself. Today is February 18th and there is a very special date coming up, which is February 22nd, 2022, which is 22222, right? Yeah, so it's very powerful. It's something that does not occur often, obviously. So I want y'all to take advantage of this special day and really use it to get everything that you've been trying to manifest or everything that you've been wanting. This is the time to double down on those desires so that they can come sooner for you and more powerfully for you. So I'm gonna tell y'all some things that y'all can do on that day in order to help bring your desires to your reality. So first of all, you want to meditate and refocus, quiet your mind a little bit, just clear out everything that has been cluttered in your mind because you don't want any negative thoughts or energy clouding your desires and your manifestations. So once you've meditated and gotten yourself to a calmer state and a clearer mind, you want to set your intentions. There is nothing that you should do without intention. Everything that you do in this world should have an intention. So whatever your desires are, set your intentions for those desires. Why do you want these things? How will this affect your life? How will this affect everything by you getting these desires? The next step is to write down your desires. Just like in a list form, 1, 2, 3, write down everything you want so that you can have a clear visual of what you're asking for. If you're into scripting, you can also do scripting, which is writing down your desires in the form of a story or just repeatedly writing sentences over and over. Any way that you would like to do your scripting process, I also have a video on that. But yes, this would be the time to script if that's your preferred method of manifesting your desires. The next step, and these last 3 steps are really not in order. You can do them whichever way that is best for you, or you can choose one that is best for you. So the next one is to visualize and affirm repeatedly. And I saw a video today from the Love Gal, and I will leave her links in the description box. Also, I will link the video in the card right here. And she gave a method of manifestation in which she looks at a picture of whatever she wants, focuses on that picture, and then creates a movie, including herself in that movie, to visualize what she wants, and it gets to her much faster. So that is what I'm saying for this part. Visualize and repeat. Visualize and repeat as much as you can whenever you think about it throughout that day, and also especially as you wake up, and if you take a nap as you're falling asleep, and when you actually are going to sleep as you fall asleep. So when you're in that state akin to sleep, which is that drowsy state right before you actually drift off to sleep, that's when you want to visualize and affirm and get it in your subconscious. And the very last thing that you can do is make and listen to your own subliminals. I've said this before about subliminals, that there are many here on YouTube, but I personally wouldn't trust those because you don't know what they're whispering under the music in those videos. So I would rather just speak my affirmations into my voice notes and edit them into like a video audio form and just listen to that repeatedly when I'm doing regular things like washing the dishes or doing my hair or watching TV even, because you can have the volume super low to where it's just that your subconscious can hear it. You don't have to actually hear it. I really encourage y'all to take advantage of this day. Like I said before, it's very powerful. Astrology is very powerful, and the planets and everything really affects us because we are all connected. I personally right now, I feel really like drained. I feel really drained emotionally, mentally, a little bit. You know, it could be several factors, but most importantly, we just had a full moon. So that can be very draining. Anyways, I hope that y'all take my advice on using these manifestation tips and let me know what y'all will be doing on 2/22/2022. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.